I'm going to talk about why I just opened a $10,000 margin trade over on Pepe. So yeah, let me just quickly show you guys my trade here over on Bybit for Pepe. We can see that I have about $10,000 in margin right now, $9,400 in margin with 2x leverage, making it a $18,000 Bitcoin, not Bitcoin trade, Pepe trade of course. So yeah, I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I opened this Pepe trade and why I will actually start scaling even more into this Pepe trade and why I think this could potentially make people a shit ton of money. So yeah, I'm currently having this position here open on Bybit. We can see I'm down about 9%, nothing to worry about. Pepe of course fluctuates a little bit, but the next leg up is going to be absolutely crazy. So let me just quickly show you guys what I am currently referring to. So we can currently see that this is the Pepe chart of course. Let me just quickly make my a little bit smaller so we can see that this is the Pepe chart. We originally, when it listed, for example, on big exchanges like OKX and Binance, of course, we saw a massive pump, then we saw a small dump, and then we saw this crazy run-up, of course. This run-up was absolutely insane to about a $1.8 billion market cap. And then we immediately went back down and we basically came down to those lows where we listed. Basically, we came all the way down to where this mega pump started. So what I'm trying to tell you guys right now is that Shiba Inu did the exact same. And why am I comparing those two? Well, Shiba Inu launched as an ERC20 token through Uniswap as well. And Pepe also launched as an ERC20 through Uniswap as well. They are just two meme coins that are launching every single day. Hundreds of meme coins are launching every single day, but Shiba and Pepe decided to go absolutely crazy for one another reason, and they are just following the exact same path. So they have the same history. If I show you guys this Shiba Inu chart, it just looks too similar in my opinion. We can see that when it listed, we saw an immediate pump, of course, a listing pump. Then we saw a small drawback in the price, which we also saw here on Pepe. And then we saw this massive run up. As you guys can see, we saw this massive run up for Pepe. It doesn't look like it's big because I'm zoomed out a lot. But yeah, we can see that this pump was basically the same height as Pepe. It was absolutely crazy. But if I now scroll to the right, here over on Shiba Inu, we can see that after about 800 bars, and we're currently looking at 4 hour candles, so we can see at about 200 days ish, we can see that Pepe decided to go Shiba decided to go absolutely nuts again. And I am expecting the exact same for Pepe. So Shiba Inu went absolutely crazy after about 150 to 200 days of consolidation. We can see nothing happened. Everyone thought Shiba Inu was dead. It was just straight up dead. Everyone thought Shiba Inu was dead. The same is currently happening with Pepe. Less and less people are starting to talk about Pepe. And it seems like Pepe will probably just do something like this. Pepe is only about, let me check, about 360 bars in consolidation. So about 100 days at the moment. So I'm expecting Pepe to range another 100 days ish. And once the Bitcoin halving starts to close, coming to us, so the Bitcoin halving is in about 300 days, and exactly when Shiba Inu pumped, this was also when the bull run kicked off, of course. So yeah, this is just the exact same thing that is currently happening for Shiba, is currently happening with Pepe. That's why I'm just immensely bullish on Pepe right now. I'm just expecting to happen for exactly the same run up. That's why I'm currently longing Pepe. I'm really excited to see that we're probably going to do something like this and then just send it to a new all-time high and even higher. So why do I think this is going to happen? Well, Pepe is already listed on big exchanges. Basically every single exchange now has Pepe. Volume is still going through the roof on Pepe. Pepe is still really actively traded, which means that once Bitcoin finally starts to go absolutely nuts and the dominance starts to go down for Bitcoin, Pepe will go on a crazy ass run, breaking all-time highs and even higher. And if Pepe goes to all-time high, which is about 0.0044, we can clearly see how much I'm going to make. All I need to do is add the stop loss or take profit, and I can just type in the price. As you guys can see, we're currently looking at the 1000 version, so it's 0.004. We can see that I'm at least making $27,000 if it goes to all-time high, and if it does a 2x from all-time high, I am making 75 grand. And yeah, that's kinda a lot of money for me at least. So I'm really excited for this Pepe trade. That's why I actually opened it. Of course, I'm not with my entire capital in this Pepe trade. I still, of course, have a lot of other capital also laying around. But this is just capital I maybe not can afford to lose because I'm pretty confident in this trade. But this is some capital I was not using at the moment. So I just decided to put it into Pepe. Now, if you also want to trade Pepe with me just like this, go for a crazy long position on Pepe, then go to the first link in the description right now. Because you can trade Pepe over on Bybit. If you sign up for a Bybit account using my link, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses you can use for your Pepe trade. Plus you will get 25% off fees, which will simply mean that your Pepe trade will be even more profitable, of course. Plus, Bybit is a really reliable exchange. They won't go down for some reason. Bybit has never been down for more than an hour, which is really bullish. They won't randomly close your trades. They don't get crazy liquidity spikes. Liquidity is really good. That's why I would recommend using Bybit. So go to the first link in the description right now. Sign up for a Bybit account using my link. And yeah, that being said, that's why I'm currently in this Pepe trade. I'm really excited to see how this is going to play out. I'm pretty confident in this trade. Of course, no financial advice. But yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.